welcome for this program. This program, you too can make it on Benue People's Television online. And maybe the host, Fidel Shamel, aka Ojita, aka Afidua. Today, we're on the street, we will walk out to Checkmate, where we will see some of our indigenous young men. Most of them will be graduate, but they down, they do their own thing with their own hands so that they will get their kobo to sustain life and forget about the issue of the drag about government for do this one, government for do this one, government for this one. They complaining. So we're there today for the Atman shop, where the young man they use his hand, they make his own kobo to take care of himself and the family, and he don't too send about government for do this one, government for do that one, government for do this one. Please join me as I take you inside to meet the Atman where he do his artwork. Well, welcome. We're inside the art studio where Mr. Atman they do his own work. Just like I said, this program is all about we coming out to meet up with some of our indigenous young men that are struggling on their own, doing their things, using their hands to do their jobs and make their kobo to take care of themselves and command their body from government for do this one, government for do this one, government for do this one. Just like I say, you are meeting the Atman. He go use him to tell us his name. And you know, we get surprised to say this man a graduate. So Mr. Atman, well done.
Thank you, my brother.
I beg you will tell us who you be. Tell us who you be.
My name is Kengu Kachira. I didn't get this Atman where you come sit down say and so. I be trained artist, graduate of fine arts. And for school I learned this work. City I can't graduate for Benue State Polytechnic. And since then, at this work I do the job to take care of my family.
Why you don't go look for one kind of government work or follow politicians say they do it? Why you can't choose this work?
My brother, you know say sometimes na blessings they come from heaven.
Okay.
As I begin to do this work for school, I don't know say one day I go sit down say I do this work on my own. And as I finish school, work no day, I say, okay, Papa God, you give me this one, say, make I do. Then I come sit down here, they do it. I see this work, I don't do this work. It don't reach like 20 years now.
Ha!
Why don't they do this work?
So that means you don't finish school now, don't they reach 15 years?
It don't reach 15 years when I finish school.
And I just this work you did do.
And the work what they do with this. And this work, I don't even train people. You get boys who I don't train from this my shop where you see so. Themselves they do them. Some of them they Abuja, some they Kaduna, some they Jos. Some they even they this Makurdi self when they practice.
So how like this kind artwork will they do so? This kind one like this, what do they call this one?
This one they call them surrealistic painting. Now two people where they dance, two women where they dance. One a Tiv woman, one a Idoma woman. You know, so our culture now, we get plenty dance steps for our culture.
Yes.
Now I just they represent here so. Okay. Now I just lay the colors. By the time I finish, I go use black opaque, outline them, it will come out fine, like this one you see here so.
Yes.
So now the stage that
this one will be like now whether that one house man where they play guitar.
Yes. They call this one Molo.
Molo?
Yes. See how they play them so.
Now so. I see I'm so. I can see say the one say I see whether na Amy they come out too because I see that Kakaki.
And that one Harad, you know, they Harad the chief where they come out.
Okay. For far north.
Yes, for far north.
It make me new.
But see this work they do so. Now sculpture I specialize.
Okay.
Because I read arts and I study other aspects, I paint, I sculpt, I do graphic work, I do printing jobs for this my shop.
I see my own printing machine say we do for corner.
Yeah, this one
like everyone has to say this one way everything can go into digital now where the computer can take over everything so. As you don't follow, they follow inside the computer world. The thing that affects your business, this is where the computer can come on. Anybody will snap photo, can turn the photo to many kind of something like that on the computer. say software. You think they affect this job?
Me, I be gbogbo. Because for computer I did, for fine art I did. So anywhere where the job come, I dey catch the job because I get proficiency. They don't train me well. So for computer I dey design, for manual artwork I dey design. This one na wood burning, this one na sculpture. That one dey that side, that small dey there, we dey down there. Na mosaic work. So they do different kind of work.
So like this kind of one, like this person, this kind of one, like this, they go like how much? They fit make up to better money so or they want this.
This wood burning, like the size na 3 by 4, that's 3 feet by 4 feet. This one they go for 50,000.
This one don't pass salary of person now. If you sell like 2, you don't reach salary of one director. See, that is why we always talk say you must fit do am. You can do it. Nobody when they no born with handwork or nobody when no fit learn handwork, and they hear for what the advert they talk. Instead of they complain about say government no do this one, government no do this one, you can help yourself and do something for yourself and start making some money. The important thing that make you make kobo they enter your pocket. Take care of yourself. I beg Mr. Atman, like this kind of one like this so. People they buy a quick so. People like this kind of things.
People they like them. This kind of work, don't be saying go wait so a person can't give you work. When you sit down, because the talent there your head, the ideas there your head, you will begin to, as you get materials, you begin to work small, they keep. Work small, they keep. One day person go build hotel, go build house, go want put better painting inside, you go walk inside your studio, say you get work, so you go carry your works, come outside, you go see them, you go select, you go buy. Sometimes even tourists, they come here, they come buy works. Because when they work, they can't work what they do, they reflect my environment. Any work what I do, they show say this work come from this our Benue state. Yeah. So that people go like them. You know, you say, I they go carry work somewhere else. And when people see this kind of work, they go like them because as they come Benue, they want to carry something, go show say, I come Benue. So they always produce work. I know they wait me person can't give me this kind of work make I do. This one are my creative work, original work, you don't go see them anywhere. As I do this one, I don't go repeat them. I will do another one again. So that is the difference between we don't learn this work and people just want to do the work. But all of us, we still do this work, the job.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Again, what you go where I was to ask you. Like if somebody just when they not born out with this kind of creative sense, if you can't learn this work with your hand and you go study.
You know, say any work where you want to learn, if your mind say your mind dey there to learn the work, you know the first person can't learn work. Now you go talk say now this work I want to learn. So as you carry your leg, waka jeje come enter here say you want to learn this work. I go first ask you say true you want to learn this work. If you talk say yes, my own na to teach you. And thank God, all the people who come here to come learn this work, they no disappoint. All of them, at least they will carry because they do plenty things for us. So you must carry 1 or 2 things where you go carry go. You said go to see the job.
Thank you so much, Mr. Atman. I would like to advise some of our Benue youth, especially those ones who finish school, where no get work to do, and as workman no day nowadays, the ones who get small skills because you will see say some of them say they learn marketing, some say they learn public admin, some say they learn computer science, and you will see say they follow up and down, they work out with politicians instead of to find something to do. They go there, they work out up and down, just they insult other people for Facebook and the rest. So what do you get to advise those kind of people like that?
See, it gets one American president. He talks something. And that thing, I'm like, waiting at the whole and get to my heart. He talks, say, make you not think what your country will do for you. Make you think what you will do for your country.
Thank you so
that
much.
Is if you go China, you go see, say, now people they do small work, now they make the economy they grow. No people they do big work, now small work. What they do, now they make the economy grow. So if you want to make your state better, if you want to make your country grow, make sure say find small thing where you go do, you go add to waiting will make your country grow. So now what are they tell people that? Let me say to the worker up and down. If the worker up and down, wait till you go see chop. Because tomorrow the politician knows they wait till you go see chop. But if you do your own thing, the politician will say, this man they do something, go carry small, can't give you. This one will carry, can't give you. Let me say go the worker they find them.
I they tell them, what is it? They always tell them, say, find something they do, find something to do. Leave about this issue of government. Because government man a person, you man go to know you go become the government. Now you go be in charge of that government. You go see how the government the day way you go to the complain. I thank you so much. You are still on to Benue People's Television online. And this is You Too Can Do It. And we are in the studio of the art man. Like somebody where they out of Nigeria. So if the person needs your artwork, how you want to get you? Like whether you get something like a telephone number, whether you get something like an email or Gmail or that kind of contact where person will take reach you.
Yes.
To tell them now make them hear.
Yes, my telephone number now 080 25 444 503. 080 25 444 503. When you ring out, you go get them. And then my other number now 070 365 65333. Anytime you ring on, you will get me. My email address artmancreations08@yahoo.com and then kachina2012@gmail.com. I there for Facebook, Tengu Kachina. I there for Twitter, Tengu Kachina. You will see me for linked up as Tengu Kachina. Where you will even see me for Instagram as Tengu Kachina. Anytime you see I'm not the idea. So you can ring me anytime, and even if you Google Artman Creations, you go see them for Google Map. It go direct you, you go Wakasete, you go carry you come this domot. Artman Creations they on top Google Map. So Artman Creations they worldwide, and Artman Creations no they hidden at all. Because now legal business we they do, Corporate Affairs Commission sabi us, we they do our business, we they pay our tax, we they work very well. We're here to develop the society. Our job and we they do it. Only thing we say, we dey beg make government promote visual art for Benue State, because visual art dey suffer for Benue State. We get so many things where we fit contribute to the society. The patronage from government to visual artists is very, very low. So we dey beg make visual art support us. As I dey here, I dey member of many associations. I'm a member of Professional Creative Artists Association of Nigeria. I'm the Sergeant at Arms. I'm the State Financial Secretary, Association of Art Gallery Owners Association of Nigeria, and I do humanitarian work. So I be Rotarian. Currently, I may be the president of Rotary Club of Makurdi. Yes. So I do humanitarian work.
I see for work, yeah. Guys, thank you so much, Mr. Tengu. What you talk, no, nothing will come out aside at all, because everywhere we go, now so everybody talk say government for support, the local one, government for support, the people where they on ground they do these little things so that they might feed the blue. And government they hear now. Because we very sure say government might watch this our television. And as they watch us so, they take amendments. I would like to ask whether you get madam.
I get madam.
With how many children?
3 children. One just graduated from secondary school, the other one still did primary school.
All now from this work.
All now from this work, why they do so. I have three lovely children. My wife, Usei Kachina, my first daughter, Iwange Kachina, my son, Gigi, and Negisha Kachina. These are my children, and we are all doing well, courtesy of thank God for this work where I do so.
Right. We give thanks to God. So we move from here, we will pack our property, come out from your shop. So if any other thing you get to tell your people again, you go see tell them, because we still come up from your shop now as you just talk with now, and so they just come up from your shop.
Me, I want to talk say these Benue TV people now better job than they do. So because I just sit down my own, they do my work, they just come work, I enter, I no call them, I no give them anything. They see say now they will promote Benue. Now him they just work, call my shop. So I want to say, Baba God, I thank you. Me sir, they don't. I see people who don't sell me to the world. So may God give them plenty grease where they will rub for them elbow, so that they will do this kind of work. When they continue to do this work, God will bless them.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Now well done. And then now right inside the shop of one of our old brother again, this woman and another Benue young man who has decided that he not going to wait for government to be talk about government matter. He has decided to go into the selling of shoes. He says second-handed shoes and clothes at very, very affordable price. His shop is at Kasinara Street here. Please, viewers, I would like you to meet Mr. Shima Udura, the owner of this wonderful, fairly used boutique collections. Mr. Shima, it's a pleasure. The Benue People's Television Online are so impressed with you. That is why we have come to your shop here to come and share with you and also ask you 1 or 2 questions.
I do teach. Right now, I'm still doing technology and business studies.
Okay.
My final year student.
Thank you so much. Then why you can't decide to come go into something like this? Because it's hard to see our boys to do, our young Benue young men, to do things like this. Why you not go do something like politics, try to come do this kind of thing?
As a man, you need to be creative. You go school na something but apart from school, you could look outside the box. That's why I decided to make time. Put them together, open this shop. Instead we are the beginning of that also to us with the back. Better, put one or two things on ground. We have to do monthly pay. This one is still new council.
I think that they hear Rama. If they talk say this one they pay and pass, meaning say if they make your own cover here. That is why we say on this program we say you too can make it. You can do it more bigger than even what the people where there is a government office they do. I would like to take another question again on you. How long will you not do this business? How long will you not sell those things? When this shop done do?
2 years time.
Imagine 2 years and 6 months. That means this December we will expect this place to full again, because I remember saying last December this place was filled up. And the thing I say they plan out to go for Mount Market.
So,
Alright.
if I go forward, we will be able to full back to you. There's one thing where I want to advise the new youth.
Okay.
We try. We could think outside the box. We could not depend on politicians alone. Then we only use us. We don't get anything from them. We could think how to turn 10 naira to 20 naira or 30 naira.
That is industrialization. That is.
Now you go good pass.
Kai, thank you so much for that advice. If somebody went there very far, because this Benue People's Television Online, people they receive you from very, very far places. Somebody went there very far like that and they want to get something from you here. So, is it easy way if you get you on something like maybe Facebook or get you on WhatsApp or email or you get from ringing number?
Okay, I get a telephone number.
Okay.
The name of my shop now episode 1
Episode 1, okay. Shop.
You get from number 5 personal account.
Okay.
And if you ring me for my number 080-6911-2525.
And the person fit see something we like, discuss with you, go fit deliver the thing to where in day.
Wow.
That's lovely. When they hear our viewers, now they send me on a host, Fidel Shamel, aka Ojita, aka Afidua. They still be the host where they handle this program, you fit make up on Benue People's Television Online. Today, as we get here for this shop, so when I see and when I hear from my brother, when they open my talk, say, in the advice Benue youths, make you do something, forget to push politicians up and down, because they know go fit to help you, as you go fit use your hand do something. My brother from here, that's why they take close today. We will take close this program, as we will say. Let him tell us again, anything we do in mind we want to tell us, you will tell us now, my brother. So that we go from here now close. Any other advice we go still advise your brothers? Like your mates so wasted it. When they don't understand say money they inside this kind of business. What if the advice we go give them?
The only advice I get give them so make them try. As I've been first off, make them think outside the box. Don't be saying you must go politician house or reach my house, go knock for them. How many times did they give you the money? They can teach you how to fish, look to the give you fish. If they empower you, took your hand inside petty business, something inside. But I still want to beg our government, as we dey engage ourselves inside all this petty business, the way we don't leave state, make dem still dey encourage us. All this soft loan wey dey come, make dem no dey give their brothers some, make dem dey remember us. Thank you.
Back to government. Government on the here. When our boys the vex, when I say as they don't come out from street, enter they do small things. Maybe they struggle at all. Make that Kaluba wave central bank they give comfort to empower the youth. Make that loan they reach them so that they will hold that loan. They take the support themselves to make their business go bigger and bigger. They go do other things. Forget about the aim of the government of releasing that loan. On this note, we would like to say bye-bye. We will see next time, which is next week, the upper Sunday, on the same program, Afe Maker. You too can make it. I remain the same, Fidel Shamel, your host, aka Ojita, aka Agofi Maker. Thank you so much. One love. Shima, I just have MBS. Yeah, Professor, you can't say practical. You don't run the shop as you want, but you can't do a short over professional shots. Can't wait for you. God. See, like I do one political program one day for here. It won't make money because this is not too long, so I will extend.